So
I
good.
drew this. My team illustrated and animated this whole show. My Procreate brushes.
I have learned that Hang Tuah was that guy.
Then the animation starts. How is this different? Crab. We're here. Welcome to Hang Tuah Centre. So last year I had the opportunity to draw, basically create art for this place. Me and my team, we created illustrations, animation, and also like a VR thing that you can try here at the Hang Tuah Centre. So let's go inside. Can I go in for free?
Because you did something here,
Yeah.
right? Yet you're entitled to do so.
I
Actually, you
I
are
should-
entitled.
I should get in for free.
I'm pretty sure the guard should know this, right?
Our tickets. Okay.
That's yours, yeah. Look at your work. So
I
beautiful.
drew this. So when we walk into the entrance, we come here. See? Climb up to explore more.
Okay.
Then here, my team illustrated and animated this whole show for you guys. So basically, this animation, it shows Hang Tuah's life.
Pada 250 tahun yang lalu, sebuah perkampungan nelayan kecil di Melaka telah menyaksikan kisah yang luar biasa semasa dalam pemerintahan Sultan Melaka. Melaka telah menjadi pusat perniagaan utama yang menarik pedagang dari pelbagai pelosok dunia dan diwarnai dengan pelbagai budaya serta bahasa.
This is also my illustration. This is the animal of Melaka. Yeah. These are the languages. Malay, Arabic, and Chinese.
Oh, not Swahili. That's sad.
So we have an Arab, a Chinese, and a Malay. They're chit-chatting.
I'd have fancied a bit of Swahili, but it's okay. I don't feel bad.
And then this is the currency.
Wow, this looks beautiful.
They're trading goods. Trading goods. And the naval warfare. This drawing, we did a whole different drawing for like the first 3 months. Then a few weeks into the deadline, they told us to change everything. So we redid everything. I think I drew all this like in less than 2 weeks. Oh my god. But it's so pretty.
You did a job well done.
You can see my Procreate brushes. My Procreate brushes.
Proud of you. Well done.
Now we're gonna go try the VR.
Let's go.
Yeah, I also do this little, what do you call it, mouse deer. Is it cute?
Like you, yes. Yes. Do you know how much I want to tell the world that you're the one who did all this? I want to tell the world, to everyone who came here, that you did this good work. I wanna shout it out, but it's okay. I know you're shy. Yeah, my head is big today. Oh wait, I need to adjust this. Okay, I need to tighten this.
Ooh, what do you see?
Klik untuk mula.
Click untuk.
Mula. Ah,
Is it nice?
wow.
Is it?
Yeah, it's so good.
Can I see anything? Cannot. Can I? Oh, it doesn't work like that?
Okay, it's starting now. Yeah, good. It's starting all over again.
Oh.
It's so good.
I can hear the sound.
You can hear, right?
Yeah. Again?
Yeah, it's like I'm watching these guys, the three guys, the Arab, the man from China, and the Malay dude, just chit-chatting.
Okay, so what do you learn?
I have learned that Hang Tuah was that guy. He was him. No, like really. This guy was just kicking ass.
So
Wow.
my team and I also did this. So how it works?
Uh-huh.
Basically,
Whoa, wait, what? Oh, I remember.
so you have to start. This is from the beginning.
The Beninging.
This is the beninging. Okay. Then the animation starts.
I remember you doing this one. I remember you doing this one.
Fatih Gajah Mada.
And then it shows like a comic type animation.
Ah.
Yeah.
Semasa majlis jamuan dan tarian, beliau minum dan berpura-pura mabuk sebagai langkah berjaga-jaga. Kemudian, seri Betara meminta Hang Tuah untuk menari dan beliau terus mengagumkan semua dengan tariannya dengan menggunakan keris.
My friend Kabi, he's the one who animated all this, and he's so good.
Setelah itu,
He's so good. Without his animation, our drawings look like But then when he animates,
mengagumkan.
it looks so good. Yeah. And now we're done.
And then we go to the next one.
Go to the next one. So all this, they all have different animations. So every box section has a different story. So it basically tells like the 5 main events of Hang Tuah's life. So we tell the story through animation. Just push it all the way to the end. Now play. So happy. This took more than 3 months. Yeah. So another team did this, not my team, but let's try it. I still don't know how it works. Okay. Then,
Show the peace sign.
Sila, please follow the posture on the left screen. If your posture is correct, the camera will take a photo of you. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
How is this different? Oh.
It's your fault.
Guy, am I not doing exactly what he's doing?
No, you're not. Loading. Yeah, you're too slow for this. Yeah.
Oh, there are photos. Oh my gosh. Let's scan the QR.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
What is that?
What are you doing? Eh? What are you doing here also?
Oh my gosh. You wanna have a go? You wanna have a go?
Okay.
Now this guy's gonna try it. See if he can do better than me.
You didn't even see me.
Good question. Okay, try. Again, do it again. Cute.
Oh my god! What is that?
Let's go. No, you have to do what he did, the motion. Oh. Oh. Sorry. No, you do the motion, not just the pose. Okay. Oh. Oh. Like that. Again. I think you need to.
Look, I do this in my sleep. Come on.
Okay, fine. This one is the hard one.
Yeah.
I think you need to step ahead a bit. Because you're kind of not in the circle.
20 minutes later.
Do it
My
again.
hand is tired.
Do it again, faster. You have two left. Just like jump around or anything. Just like jump around or anything.
2 hours later.
You try do it like push, like ha, like that. Ha. Maybe a bit to the front. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Again. Maybe a bit here. Come here a bit. Because you're kind of off frame.
Okay.
Okay. Again.
Later that same evening.
No. I know why. Because you see, like, you see the hand is like this.
The following Thursday.
It's not working. It's not working.
It's not working.
Okay, let me do it. You know what? Let me do it.
Do it.
– 16 paranoia-filled days later.
I did it.
Huh?
Go. Ooh. Let's see how he did. Crab. It's not even the right posture.
What are you
Great
doing?
job.
And it really worked for me. Oh. The man, the myth, the legend. Hikaya Hang Tuah. You know, in Swahili, right? We call it Hikaya. Like stories or like the legend. So, in Swahili it would be Hikaya za Hang Tuah.
Legend of Hang Tuah.
Yes.
I don't even know what hikayat means until today.
You don't even know what it means. I'm teaching you your language? Can't believe it.
So that's it for the video. I'm so happy. It took me like 6 months to come here and actually see it in person. And it also took 6 months to finish the whole thing. I'm so proud, especially this. You know, you gotta zoom into the details. Zoom into their pretty faces.
Okay.
Okay, zoom. Yeah, that's it. So this is Hang Jebat, one of Hang Tuah's besties. Okay, yeah, that's it. And this is the myth, the legend, Hang Tuah himself.
I see him.
And this is Sultan Mansur Shah. He's the king, one of the kings that Hang Tuah met, I guess. Okay.
No, he's one of the kings that Hang Tuah served.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is the Bundahara. Served as the prime minister. Oh.
To Mansur Shah. So, he was this guy's
Yeah.
second man.
Prime minister.
And this guy was the myth. And this guy was the one who fought with the myth.
betrayed to me.
That's sad.
Okay,
Anyway.
out of all these 4 drawings, I like this one the most. I think this one.
Ah, you like betrayers. Ah, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll betray you.